like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm nervous, but I'm excited. Mostly excited, but a little nervous. I feel like you're always a little nervous when you're announcing something. But me and my friends, Tasha, Drea, we just launched Life Tried Unserious, which is a collective page where we will be trying different activities. Think of it as like the ultimate bucket list. We are outside this summer, okay? You guys know earlier this year we went to St. Martin for my birthday, and I want to say that was our first girls trip in a good little minute, because Tasha didn't go to Savannah last year. That was our first, all three of us there, girls trip in a good minute. And you know, there's just something about when you finally reconnect with all your friends, y'all are outside, you are enjoying yourselves, where you're like, I like this, I don't even want to go home. I want to stay here and experience this forever. Life is worth the living. That's how all of us were feeling. I'm sure you guys have noticed. Listen, actually, before I even say that, when I first moved here, which was 5 years ago, yes, 5 years ago, I was 27 years old, hit the ground running, okay? I was outside. Atlanta, Alpharetta, Swanee, Duluth, Johns Creek, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Marietta, you name it, I was there. The restaurants, the clubs, the hookah, tried it. Been there. And I want to say in the last year or two, you probably noticed that that has slowed down. Not that many outing pictures, videos, vlogs. I get comments on where are the vlogs. But when I say I have not been outside, I want you to believe me when I say I have not been outside like that. And I think it's just like everyone's in their 30s now. When you start getting older, everything starts changing. Your body starts changing, your mind starts changing. You start experiencing those older life experiences like marriage, children, all those type of things. And I think especially, you know, with it being fresh like that, it's just you kind of have to figure yourself out a little bit, and you do start to get tired. You start getting tired of the hangovers. You start getting tired of, you know, the same shrimp Alfredo everywhere that you're going. So I think that's another reason that I'm excited about this, because when I say activities, I want you to think Paris and Nicole, The Simple Life, but make it black. And the 2026 version, you know, there are newer things, newer, all that type of stuff. So think that when I say activities to add to your bucket list. If you are similar in that space where you're like, I've done all of that, and maybe you didn't even have to get to your 30s, 40s, whatever, to realize that, it's fine to be in your 20s and not be the person who does like to drink, who likes to party, who likes to whatever it is. If you are looking for hobbies, we got you. Because when I say like we are willing to try it all, I mean we are willing to try it all. If you want us to come experience your farm, we're down for it. You know, not like skydiving or stuff like that. Don't piss me off. But, you know, golf, baking class, safaris, pottery, literally anything. Dre said something about like jazz nights. Do I normally listen to jazz? No, I don't. But am I against giving it a shot? No, I'm not. And that's like, you just got to be open. And I really hope that y'all will watch the content. You'll watch friends experiencing things together, and that'll encourage you to want to go do it yourself. You'll hit up your own friends and be like, hey, let's go try Pilates. Let's go try whatever it is. Because I know I be saying it and maybe people think I'm joking, but like, it's them phones. We need to go outside and touch grass. We need to go outside and go reconnect with the earth. And I also think like not being able to have those type of hobbies, not having things to actually keep us occupied other than doom scrolling, we are losing recipes. We're losing the ability to communicate with other people. We're losing manners. We're losing respect. We're losing a lot of that. So that's a lot of things that I'm hoping this collective page will encourage people to, you know, learn, do, adopt themselves. And yeah, I'm just excited to experience that with my friends. I'm talking like people I talk to every single day. So it's gonna be interesting to see how it goes and to see what we get into. Now, for right now, it will just be short form content. So think like TikTok or Instagram reel version. On YouTube, they call it shorts. I know the goal, like the ultimate goal, would be long form vlogs. Think like TV episodes, 30 minutes, an hour, that type of thing. But baby, listen, everyone already has multiple social media accounts that they are posting their own content on and that they have to keep up with. And that's a lot in and of itself to keep up with already. So adding something else to the plate, I fear all we can give you right now is short form content. But again, as it grows, things can change. So all of the links to all of the accounts will be in the description down below. So if you have one app or it's easier for you to watch short form content on, whatever it is, all the pages will be in the comments down below. I hope you guys decide to come check us out because it will be fun. But yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. That's all I wanted to share. Let me know in the comments down below maybe there's an activity that you've always thought of trying out, but you're like, I need to see a test dummy first. Maybe there's a business that you've been thinking of checking out, but again, you're like, spend your money first. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. So come check us out and tell me your thoughts. Okay, so make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.